I need you to stop what you're doing and take a look at this. Every day we sell thousands of these 4-week survival food kits and we're struggling to keep up with demand. But right now, we just got the 4-week survival food kits back in stock. So this is your chance in this moment to go and grab your very own 4-week survival food kit from 4Patriots. All you need to do is click or tap the button near the bottom of this video. We're calling this our go-to survival food kit for complete meal preparedness. And we're afraid that soon we may only have a few left, and it could be weeks and weeks before we get more back in the warehouse. So visit our site and claim your 4-week survival food kit before it's too late. Moving to inside this kit, there's 4 entire weeks of food packed into these packages. Right now, 4Patriots is offering these 4-week survival food kits in these heavy-duty totes that you can see right here. Now, the 4-week survival food kit from 4Patriots gives me complete peace of mind when it comes to thinking about my next meal in a survival situation. This tote is packed with enough food to keep me going for breakfast, lunch, dinner, for a whole 4 weeks. That's day after day of comfortable eating, knowing I've got exactly what I need to eat well, no matter what. This is a food that I don't have to spend a ton of time prepping either. In a survival situation, every moment counts. And if I can save a few of those precious moments during food prep, I will. This is food that works for me, not the other way around. Boil a little water, pop it in, stir for a few minutes. It's that simple. These kits are incredibly simple to store, so I keep them in several different spots. I got some in my closet, I can keep them in my gear bag. When I'm taking a trip, I can even stick some in my car for the drive, just in case. Here's what you need to do right now, though. When people stock up on this survival food, they usually act fast. That means that this 25-year incredible tasting survival food could be out of stock very, very soon. And that's why you need to hurry and reserve yours right now, because they will not be around forever, and there's no telling how long it will take to get more of this food back in stock. That's why you need to click or tap the link near this video and go to the 4Patriots website right now. As soon as you order, they'll get to work on shipping these right to your door. Grab your 4-week survival food kit right now before they run out.